Let me show you how we can fix the issue with the missing LDAC option in the Bluetooth device settings on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So if you connected your Bluetooth device to your phone, and then the reason why you might not have LDAC option is simply because you have installed an app for your, for example, earbuds, and there are some settings that interfere with that option. So what you need to do is you need to go to the app that you use for your Bluetooth device and find sound quality settings. In my case, it is over here. And if I open these settings, I have sound quality settings in this place. I mean, I have two options, one of which is for connection quality and the other for sound quality. And this is the reason why I don't have LDAC, is because I prioritize connection quality. But if I switch to sound quality, and if I go back to the Bluetooth device settings, as you can see right now, I do have LDAC. And if I switch back, then suddenly it switches to AAC. So this is the reason why you may not have LDAC in the settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.